cooking some special fried rice. Some people call it house fried rice, but whichever way you like to call it, that's what we'll be cooking today. So what you're gonna be needing is 3 types of meat. I have some chicken right here. I have some pork right here. Then I have some shrimp over there. So you just need 3 types of meat, and grab you some seasoning, some rice, and we'll get to it. We also gonna be making it with some egg. I already beat the egg up. And I also have some onions and some chopped up garlic. What you'll be needing is a ½ pound of chicken, a ½ pound of pork of your liking, and the chicken could be white meat, dark meat. It's got to be boneless. So whatever kind of boneless chicken meat you would like to use, you can use that. And then, and use as many shrimp as you like. I'm not quite sure if that was a ½ pound, but I know it's half a bag of shrimp left. The shrimp that I use right here is the Walmart 2630 count. So to not keep you waiting, let's go ahead and get to the cooking. Since my pan is getting hot, I'm gonna go ahead and start oiling my pan with some olive oil. This is the kind of olive oil I use, but you can use any kind you like. I went ahead and just do a piece right in there just to make sure it's getting hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions. And now I'm gonna add some soy sauce. The first thing I'm going to start cooking is my pork. I only got to cook this to 145. Alright, now that you got these about, let's say, 90% of the way done, you're going to go ahead and pull these off. So we're going to go ahead and cut the eye down. Alright, so now you got a clean pot with no meat in it, but the pot's not actually clean. But it is seasoned from the last meat and everything else. So what we're going to do, throw that chicken right off in there. Alright, and you want to give it some more olive oil so we can do this thing. This chicken is bland. We're going to go ahead and season it. We'll start off with some onion powder. Do it lightly because I already got onion in there. Garlic. Accent. And some Mrs. Dash. Then we'll top him off with some soy as well. And if you're noticing, I'm using less sodium soy sauce. And you're going to let that chicken cook until it's fully cooked. And then once it's fully cooked, we're going to then bring back in that pork, add it in with the chicken. Alright, so now that you got that chicken at 165, Look at that chicken, y'all. Look at that chicken. Come on. You guys can do it. I know you got it in you. Alright. So now we got that chicken right. We're going ahead and add that pork back in there. Alright, so once we got that pork, the chicken, the onions, and the mixed garlic, the chopped up garlic, all nice and cooked, and you start seeing the nice little chars on it, we go ahead and pull that off, put it on a little separate sheet, so we can go ahead and continue doing the rest of the meal. We gotta cook the eggs and the shrimp. Alright, so we got the pot clean again. We go ahead and lace it with some margarine, or you can use butter if you like. Gonna put it in there, let that start getting up in there real good, just like that. Alright, so now you got that butter down. We'll add a little onion powder. Add some garlic. Add some more. You want to turn your fire up on your stove, or you want to turn up your heat so we can get to a nice real sear when you drop the shrimp in there. Alright, so now that those shrimp are really getting their steam on, so now that these shrimp are all right and nice, go ahead and pull them out. Send them on over there with the other shrimp. With the other meat. With that same butter, we're gonna go ahead and lay the eggs. Alright, now it's time to add the meat back in. Alright, y'all. That's the finished product right now. Fried rice. Let me see if I can fix the iOS. So you see a little better. Alright, y'all. That's the finished product right here. Don't forget to check out the Epic Empire. Links will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed already. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like what you've seen. And don't forget to share to everybody that you know. Till next time, peace.